All right, here we are. It's August 7th, house update. You can see that the walls have been painted today. So, well, they're done today. They painted them Friday and Saturday this week. But today's the 7th of August, and let's walk through and let's see what else they did. I think they painted all the trim and the doors this last couple days. So let's just walk through and kind of take a look and see what they did, and then let me turn the camera on. All right, so let's go. Yeah, you can see the trim. The trim is painted. The doors are painted. You see the crown molding and stuff is done. And they have the doors sitting here where they had painted. You did see this. It looks like something had fallen because there's some marks down there, and then there's also some marks over here. So I don't know if they had a ladder or something there, and like the whole thing fell over. Hopefully nobody got hurt, but something else is gonna have to be fixed. Back into the kitchen area and the pantry. So as we had in our last update, this frame is still on the floor here. That frame is supposed to go into here. But you can see where it was broke. It was broke on delivery. So they just kind of put it down to get it out of the way. So that's something else that they're waiting on. So yeah, that's just a very quick update on where we are right now. So they'll probably be in here this week and they'll paint the rest of the house, and then we can actually see some color going up. That's going to be pretty exciting, especially when they get to the outside. The outside is ready to paint now. So yeah, moving right along. So right here is where our paint is. This would be the interior. It's kind of like a minty green, and the exterior is kind of like a calypso. So it's definitely going to be bright. So it's definitely going to be bright colors. That's what we need, is some bright colors and some happiness. So anyway, that is our house update, August the 7th. I think it is coming along pretty good. Finally, they're moving pretty quick and they're getting things done. So yeah, there it is. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.